The Bose Home Speaker 500 is the best smart speaker for music. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your home speaker. Let's begin by carefully opening the box and confirm the following parts are included. Your Bose Home Speaker 500. A quick start guide and important safety information. And lastly, a power cord. Now let's set up your speaker. Begin by connecting the power cord into the bottom of the speaker. Plug the other end into an AC power outlet. Your speaker will then automatically power on. To complete setup, you'll need to download the Bose Music app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your speaker to Wi-Fi, set up privacy settings, and add any compatible voice assistants in your region, such as Alexa. Your Bose Home Speaker 500 is now set up. For additional information, visit our website.